Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone video sound not working. So to fix this, it is very easy. First of all, of course, we need to swipe from the top right corner of our phone to the bottom until we'll see these options. So first of all, make sure that your volume slider is turned on to the max. So turn it on like that, so we'll basically increase the volume. So maybe you had it turned off and that's why you didn't hear the sound. And the next thing I'll suggest you to do is maybe your phone is connected via Bluetooth to another device that is not working. So basically click and find Bluetooth sign and just turn it off. And basically that is how we will turn off the Bluetooth and turn off the connection to other devices. And now we can open the photos, open the video, and as you can see, I still can hear the sound of this video. It's basically because all the videos in the bottom right corner have this mute button. If we click on it,
if you can hear the sound,
and if we click back, we can see that if we click on this mute button, it basically turns on the sound. Maybe it was turned off for you. But if this sound still doesn't work for you, the next thing I'll suggest you to do is you need to open settings on your device and scroll down until you will find general here with a little gear icon. Now scroll down to the bottom until you'll find shutdown, and basically shut down your phone and restart it, and it definitely will help your problem because this will reload every single activity on your phone and help it. But if this didn't work, the last thing I'll suggest you to do is to simply go back to the settings, open sound and haptics, and here choose change with buttons and turn it on. And if it was already turned on, you need to turn it off for a second and turn it on again. And basically now using the button in the side of the screen, turn on the volume, increase it, and check if the video is working or not, the sound. And that is how you can fix the sound on your iPhone is not working, the videos. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.